Travel with HugoF. Subscribe for more. Visit places you've never seen. Hotspots explore. Today we hit a museum. Art on every wall. With Mario by our side, having a ball. Travel with HugoF. Museum day so grand. Hit that button and subscribe. Join our traveling band. Sculptures, stories they tell. History's whispers, we're under their spell. Paintings and colors, masterpieces there. Walking through the galleries, magic in the air. Travel with HugoF. Museum day so grand. Hit that button and subscribe. Join our traveling band. Stories they tell. History's whispers, we're under their spell. Paintings and colors, masterpieces there. Walking through the galleries, magic in the air. Travel with HugoF. Museum day so grand. Hit that button and subscribe. Join our traveling band. And Mario on the road, travel tales worth gold. Across the seas and skies, you'll see it through their eyes. From Paris to Tokyo, everywhere they go, adventures never old. Stories get untold. Travel with HugoF. Subscribe and join their way. Every day a new display. Come and watch them play. Cities bright with lights, mountains touching heights. Together they will roam. Everywhere feels like home. With laughter and a smile, walking every mile, you'll feel like you're there. Love is in the air. Travel with HugoF. Subscribe and join their way. Every day a new display. Come and watch them play. With lights, mountains touching heights. Together they will roam. Everywhere feels like home. With laughter and a smile, walking every mile, you'll feel like you're there. Love is in the air. Travel with HugoF. Subscribe and join their way. Every day a new display. Come and watch them play. joy they ride. Cameras rolling every single day, capture beauty in every way. Travel with HugoF, it's the life they love. In the Dutch landscapes they soar above. Windmills turning, tulips in the breeze, smiling faces making memories. Happy moments in each quaint town, every small village wears a joyful crown. Travel with HugoF, it's the life they love. In the Dutch landscapes they soar above. Hugo and Mario travel far and wide. In the Netherlands with joy they ride. Cameras rolling every single day, capture beauty in every way. Travel with HugoF, it's the life they love. In the Dutch landscapes they soar above. Thanks for watching my channel, traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button, please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every